So in this video, I am going to give you a speaking practice. You don't even need a lot of time to practice it. Searched for my seat and sat on it. And you enjoyed doing this practice with me. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shanta and you are watching English with Shanta. I am making this video in answer to people who have been requesting me to make a video on shadowing practice. I'm glad that some people have chosen me to follow along. So in this video, I am going to give you a speaking practice. You just have to repeat after me. I will make you practice shadowing in this video. Take a few moments, sit down and practice with me. For those of you who don't know what shadowing is, it is a practice of imitating the speaker. Whoever you think is your role model or you feel that you have to speak like him or her, choose that person's audio or video and start mimicking them. Not just their words, but expressions, intonation, pronunciation, everything. Just follow them exactly like a shadow. Pause the video at regular intervals and repeat after them. 2 or 3 times you do this practice. Later, start talking along with them. This is an excellent practice as you can do this alone. You don't need a speaking partner. Plus, you don't have to spend any money. In addition to that, you don't even need a lot of time to practice it. Just follow one particular person and start imitating them. So that's a briefing about what shadowing is and how you should do it. Now, I will practically demonstrate and show you how it can be done. I am going to read out an article to you which I had written. This is a real life experience which my dad shared with me. This is his own personal experience. He would travel a lot because he was into marketing. And whenever he would come home to visit us, he would stay for a few days and narrate a few of the incidents that he encountered during his travel. And I always imagined whatever he told me. Later, after a few days or so, I would start writing about them in my own words, imagining myself to be my dad. So this is one of those memorable incidents which he experienced and shared with me, and I wrote it in the form of a short story. I contributed it to my college magazine as well. So when I got the thought of making a video of this kind, this is the first article that came to my mind. Because I was not sure what to choose and what to read, so I just thought of making something of my own. I hope you like it. I particularly chose this because there are some elements of emotion in it and you can follow the expressions and highs and lows of my voice. I have used very simple English so that everyone can follow after me. So let's start it now. It was a cold winter night. I sat on the bench of a railway station, waiting for my train to arrive. I was feeling low because I was leaving my family again and going elsewhere for my work. This was not new to me, as this was the nature of my job. I have been doing this for the past 7 years. But nowadays, I feel that I should live with my family. I feel a longing to hold my children close to me. But circumstances are such. I am the only breadwinner of my family. I will endure all the struggles and pain to see my family happy and settled. I am missing out seeing my children grow. I always miss their after school stories. Oh, how I wish I could stay close to them and never leave. I was cursing my situation and my fate. As my mind was engrossed, thinking about all these things, my thoughts were disrupted by the sight of a beggar begging in the station. He was dirty and crippled. I guess he was paralyzed because his hands were crooked. A small girl wanted to help this man. And she put an orange in his hand and ran away. But that beggar was struggling to peel the orange. As he was starving and he wanted to eat the fruit quickly. He was drooling on it. I couldn't hold back anymore. So I went to him. I took the orange from his hand and started peeling it. I took a piece of fruit and put it into his mouth. He was staring at me with utter disbelief. I fed him the fruit one piece at a time. I don't know why. I just felt like doing it and I did it. I didn't care about the people who were staring at us. My train arrived and I got into the train. I searched for my seat and sat on it. I could see the beggar from the window. His eyes were filled with tears of joy and gratitude. So were mine. I felt a sense of satisfaction. I felt that my pain was nothing. I was blessed that God had given me a comfortable life, and I should be grateful to Him. My children were well fed and were excelling academically. All my pain vanished away, and I was ready to take life as it comes. So this was the practice for today. So this is the article that I wanted to read to you so that you could follow along with me. So I hope you really liked it. You liked the short story, which is in fact a personal experience, and you enjoyed doing this practice with me. So if you did, please hit the like button. Please comment your suggestions and thoughts in the comment box. I'll see you soon with another video. Do subscribe if you like my content. Take care. Bye.